Welcome to Sahu Education. Dear student, today we are going to learn some special theorems related to quadrilateral, that is called midpoint theorem. Here given the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and it's equal to half of the third side. So we'll construct a triangle. Let it be A, B, C. Okay, and the midpoint of AB and BC, AC are E, D, and E. So we'll write down given in triangle ABC, D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC. Okay, AB and AC. To prove B1, we have to prove that DE parallel to BC, B3, B2, DE equal to half of BC. Okay, here we have to take a construction. See, we'll take a or construct a line through point C parallel to AB, which meets DE produced at F. Okay, so write down through point C, construct a line parallel to AB, which meets the line DE produced at F. Okay, so after producing DE, it meets C F. Now we'll prove in between triangle ADE and CFE congruency. So come to proof. So first we'll prove here in triangle ADE and triangle CEF first are given. Here we can say AE equal to CE. That is given. Why? Because E is the midpoint of SC. Again we can say DAE angle equal to ECF alternate angle. ECF alternate angle. Why? Because here AB parallel to CF and AC is the transversal. Okay, now this angle equal to that angle, that is AED angle equal to CEF angle. vertical opposite angle, vertical opposite angle. Okay, so we got three common points in between them, so we'll write them. Therefore triangle ADE congruent to triangle CEF by ASA criteria. Okay. After proving congruency by simplicity, we can say DE equal to EF and AD which is equal to BC equal to, here we prove AD equal to CF. Okay, AD equal to CF by simplicity. See here, AD equal to BD equal to CF, that is BD equal to CF, and by construction we have taken BD parallel to CF. This implies BCFD is a parallelogram. This implies BC equal to DF and BC parallel to DE. BC parallel to DE, which proves bit 1, that is DE parallel to BC. Okay, here we get BC equal to DF. We will take half of both sides. Half of BC equal to half DF. So half DF we can write DE, because already we proved DE equal to EF. DE equal to EF. So as DE equal to EF, so half BC equal to DE, which is the second point. Hence, let's say proof. The student, for the latest notifications, you have to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for all notifications. Thank you.